Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a LinkedIn company page. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your LinkedIn account. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and go to the top right, click on For Business, click on this drop down, and then at the very bottom, you have Create a Company Page. So just go ahead and click on it and wait for it to load. Simple prerequisites: you must have a personal LinkedIn profile that is at least 24 hours old with at least one connection. Okay? And then once you're in here, it says create a LinkedIn page. What kind of page? Is it a company page, showcase page, or educational institution? So since we are here for company page, you gotta select a company right here. Wait for it to load. Now just go ahead and add in your organization or company name. I'm going to go ahead and add in Made for Money 97. So here we have our link, okay, linkedin.com/madeformoney 97. So go ahead and add in your websites right here, or website if you have one. And then the industry right here, for example, education. Okay. Select the organization size. It could be 1 employee up to 10,000 plus employees. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and add in 2 to 10 employees right here. And the organization type, should it be public company, self-employed, government agency, nonprofit, sole, privately held, or partnership? So I'm just going to select self-employed and then go ahead and add in your logo right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and add in this picture or PNG. Click on open, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, here you have a preview. Okay. So add in a tagline if you want to. And then once done, just click on check. Verify that I am an authorized representative of this organization and have the right to act on its behalf in the creation and management of this page. So finally, just click on create page right here. Wait for it. And then once that's done, you can close this pop-up, but if you want to, you can go ahead and get premium. So after that, you now have your page. You can now then go ahead and go to the left panel and click on create, and then start a post, create an event, or do whatever you want from here. That is it. That's how simple it is to create a LinkedIn company page. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.